looks good.
They're crispy too, like
Is that what you're wanting?
that.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Got started on restaurant.
My visitor. I know he's here for my lumpia.
I guess this will be my breakfast.
Yeah, you're gonna eat less today so that you're gonna get hungry later.
Is that right?
Breakfast ni Dominic. Isang lumpia daw. Tapos yung itlog. And then, chicken liver and chicken gizzard.
Thank you, my lovely wife. This is perfect.
Guys, ito na yung ating finished product ng ating pork barbecue. Happy birthday to you.
Look.
Siguro habang naghihintay, lagyan natin ng foil. Guys, lagyan natin ng foil yung ating skewer para hindi siya masunog. Ayan. Ready na yung ating oven. Yan na yung ating barbecue. Ayan, naka 350 degree na siya. And medyo mainit-init na yung ating mantika. Nafe-feel ko na, umusok-usok na. Lulutuin na natin yung ating lumpia. Ito na yung lumpia na ginawa natin kagabi. Ayan guys, let's do it! Kasi mag-alas 2 na ng hapon. And kailangan namin umalis by 5. Ooh, success! Ayan na, so far yung ating naluto. Ayan guys, maglagay pa tayo ng more lumpia. Dati guys, nung birthday ni James, yung lumpia namin soggy siya kasi olive oil yung ginamit ko. And then now I learned kasi iba talaga pala pagka vegetable oil yung ating gagamitin. Makikita mo talaga yung difference niya.
That looks good.
They're crispy too, like
Is that what you're wanting?
that.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Got started on restaurant.
No, the secret is the vegetable oil.
Yeah, not olive oil.
Not olive oil. That's what I'm telling them. Like last time,
Yeah.
it was like soggy.
Yeah, this probably isn't too far. We have a much bigger pan than last time. The pot, right? Last time we used our. Remember, it's a giant stir fry container. You didn't have this last time. We just bought
Oh,
this.
yeah?
We had a stir fry container last time.
And I have my visitor. I know he's here for my lumpia.
Just got off the meeting, and yes, it's 1:30 and I haven't had breakfast yet. So that's what I came down for. I guess this will be my breakfast.
Yeah, you're gonna eat less today so that you're gonna get hungry later.
Is that right? Guess that's fair.
Yeah? What else you want? I can make you eggs. You want
I'll do
eggs?
some eggs or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me cook this one. And I'll make Dominic some breakfast.
Thank you.
Yes.
Oh, good.
That's the marination for my pork belly. So, ayan. Tatapusin na natin tong round na to. And then, got tayo ng eggs for Dominic. Ayan, guys. Breakfast ni Dominic. Isang lumpia daw. Tapos yung itlog. And then, chicken liver and chicken gizzard. Ayan. Favorite na yan, guys. Tayo ng manok. Ayan. Breakfast is ready. And continuation sa ating lumpia. Say, thank you.
Thank you, my lovely wife. This is perfect.
Yeah, he loves the chicken gizzard
Yeah, and liver.
and liver.
Yep.
He can't eat just gizzard. Gizzard.
Or you can't eat either of them by themselves.
So you want both?
You kind of need both.
Yeah, and it's more cheaper here too, because
Yes.
no Americans eat that one here.
Yes, less common.
It's like $2.
So nobody wants to.
Yeah, so just sell it for free.
That's
For cheaper.
Super cheap.
Okay.
All right, back to work.
Yep. Enjoy your food.
Thank you. I
See you
will.
at 5.
See you at 5. Love you.
Love you. Last na natin ito. And then, ito na yung ating mga naluto. So, dapat 50 pieces ito kaso kinain ni Dominic yung isa. So, pag naubos natin to, meron tayong 49 na lumpia. Ayan guys. Malapit na. Almost 2 o'clock na. Ano ba yan? Di pa ako nakapag-breakfast. Ito naman yung ating ilalagay o ating ibabrush sa ating barbecue. So far, yan na yung ating barbecue. 30 minutes na siya and then nabaliktad ko na. And then nagpa-alarm ulit ako ng 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, tatanggalin natin tapos bebrush natin itong ating marinated sauce para hindi dry yung ating karne. Parehas lang din, whatever is the marinating sauce, yung nilagay natin kanina sa pork shoulder natin, marination. Same lang din guys. Dinagdagan ko lang siya ng konting hoisin or oyster sauce. Tapos ketchup, more ketchup para medyo matamis-tamis siya. Lalagyan ko pa sana siya ng brown sugar kasi sa recipe dapat ganun. Pero yung family kasi ni Dominic guys, hindi sila mahilig sa sweets. So, baka hindi nila magustuhan. So, wala tayong strainer. Ganito yung ginagawa ko guys. Para matanggal yung ibang oil niya. Ready! Hindi natin to dadalhin lahat kasi dadalhin ko yung iba sa aking coworkers. Ayan, ibabrush na natin yung ating pork barbecue para hindi siya matuyo guys. Guys, ito na yung ating finished product ng ating pork barbecue. Ayan. Sarap guys, malambot. Ready na. Lalagyan lang natin mamaya ng foil para mainit siya. Lumpia natin. Ayan na din. Ready na guys. Our stuff is ready. Ito na yung mga dadalhin namin. We got James balloon. Yung gifts niya. Tapos ito yung mga gamit ni James pangkain mamaya. Tapos, nandito na rin sa loob yung kanyang what's inside? We got some cake, tapos sauce. May Mang Tomas tayo dyan, tsaka sweet and chili sauce. And then, dyan naman na bag is yung barbecue natin, tsaka yung ating lumpia. And this is the birthday boy's outfit. Birthday boy. Pogi-pogi baby ba? And daddy just finished work. James, let's go. We're gonna fix your hair.
Is that your candle?
What number is that?
2.
Yes, because you're 2 years old.
John,
Okay, let's go.
Nice.
Let's go, you see? That's how you clothes a kid.
I think those are the only nice clothes we have.
Okay, let's go na. Lagyan natin ang tubig konti.
Have you seen Lando?
It's in the bathroom earlier. We are ready! Woohoo! Ayan na guys, alis na kami. Open it on.
Watch them, he's still up there. Right back. Right back. Take it to the car. Then we're gonna go to Lola's.
Yay! Guys, nakalis na kami sa bahay. And yung outfit ng ating birthday boy, look at that. And then, nandito sa tabi ko yung mga pagkain. Ayan. And yung mga gift andun sa harapan kay Dominic. And how many minutes, babe?
27.
27, guys. Late kami.
Yeah.
Because Dominic is so slow. No, because Dominic finished 5. And James went for nap too. I've been ready. Look, all my stuff in there. I'm ready. It's just James. And I need to film at the same time.
See there, yeah.
Yan. Ang dilim na sa labas. Look at that. We left earlier na maliwanag pa. Within 27 minutes, ang dilim na niya.
Tree.
Ooh. Oh, look at that. They still have Christmas tree. Yeah. And James, are you ready? Birthday boy, ready? Ready. Yes. Oh. And dyan yung bahay ng mama ni Dominic. Dito kami lagi. Ang dumi na. Babe, your mirror is dirty. I can see it. I can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, dito yung bahay ng mama ni Dominic. Yan. Yan, dito na kami. Yay! Let's go, James. James, let's go. Go, go. Kiss, kiss. Mwah.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
James.
Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Yay!
Blow it. Blow the candle. You blow it? I'll help you. Blow. Okay, no, you blow it. You blow it. Okay. Just blow. One more. Ready? 1, 2. Blow. Good.
Yay!
We did it. Yeah. Okay.
It's like a mixed emotion.
Yeah, I don't know.
I didn't cry.
You did great. Yeah.
Dancing.
Yeah.
Yay!
We did it. So what is this? What is this? Did you say cake? There it
In
is.
the 2 halves.
Well, they go together.
How was it, James?
Isn't that good? I always thought the red velvet cake was chocolate cake, food colored. Something.
Is it?
Red dye, no Ray.
Oh boy.
Poison. You said it was going to kill you.
I knew it.
Yeah.
Here
You
I
want
am,
a big one?
here I am giving it for your birthday.
Yeah? You rip it? The brown box. Give him the brown box. Jasper, Jasper.
At least he knows now to open the wrappers.
There you go. Look! Ooh! What is that? Oh, those are good ones. Little critter.
Yeah, those are good ones.
Are those books? No, we gotta bank rid of it.
Bring them that way.
Let's get something that makes look. Oh shit! Oh, I love that.
Wow. What is it, James?
It's busy.
You say guitar?
What is that?
Oh, more cars.
Is there room in the drawers for more stuff?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh, I thought that was a nice set.
Yeah, very nice.
We'll leave it in there. We'll open it.
Yeah.
That looks like a
What is it?
like a decoration too. Like you put the car.
You like the tray?
Yeah. Is it cool? It's like.
I don't know if it's that exact one.
Oh,
She
man.
sent me a picture of it. We gotta start talking.
I told her not to buy car stuff. Yeah, but oh,
Maybe,
I did.
maybe
I
it's
did.
just Hot Wheels stuff.
Okay.
Lift the box up
Yeah,
for
okay,
it.
I'm trying. There we go. There we go. Pull it.
Oh, it's the whole bit.
This is the one he cried a lot about. Yep, we're gonna open it.
Yours did. It had Andy.
Yeah, it has it on there.
Does it?
Does it say Andy?
Yeah. They already branded them. Hat?
Dumb.
Are you done? Okay.
Done with the hat?
He's falling
Sounds
off.
like he says dumb.
Yeah. It's dumb and I'm done.
You have to put glue in it.
James, pull the string. Can you pull it?
Hold it right there.
Oh. That's so cool. Is that Buzz? Say Woody.
He's showing you where Buzz is. Right?
Oh, okay. There's Buzz, Dad.
Buzz is over here, Dad.
And Woody's right behind you.
Yeah.
Is he?
It's silver though.
Uh-oh. What's in there? Oh, he's so cool. Good job. Got his hat on there. Good.
Good job, James.
Is he gonna sit down? Is he napping?
Oh, you can take a nap with them.
Yeah.
One more thing.
Yeah. Okay, 5, 6 things. Yeah.
I think this one is more bigger.
Yeah.
Easy to lose from his hand.
That's true.
Oh. The lip.
You got Woody?
Uh-oh.
His hat? We gotta glue it on. Good job. You like him? Let me hold it. Okay. Foresee this being a problem.
Oh, he'll just stop from it off.
I know, yeah.
Hi, we're going home. So James, no dinner yet.
We gave him dinner. He didn't eat it.
Yeah, I didn't eat his dinner over there, but he eat his cake. Yeah. Ito yung natira sa cake namin, guys. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung. Ayan, mga siguro ilang slice din yan. Wow, it's one of his gifts.
Oh.
Woody! Remove the hat. Alright, so we're going home. Ayan, ang dami naming karga sa likod. Mga gifts ni James. Dami ng gifts. Ayan guys, puno yung likuran namin sa sakyan. And ayan, sa harapan, puno din. Ayan, mga gifts din yan regalo sa kanya. Puro mga toys. And daddy owed me some nice coffee. Like with the whipped cream on the top.
Why do I owe you?
Because the last time we went here, you're supposed to get me coffee. And we missed the exit.
She told me after I passed the place.
Yeah, but still, you can turn around if I'm really, really special to you. But he didn't.
It's like that.
So now I'm just telling him before we leave here, because it's just like 2 minutes away from Tim Hortons. Because Starbucks here is far away.
They closed at
8?
8. Yeah.
So they're closed already?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
No coffee again. Happy birthday to me, James. Say happy birthday. Huh? Ah, the hat? Where's the hat? Oh, it's right here. Here we go. Wow, you're putting it in his head? Huh? Lagay mo sa ulo niya.
Yeah, Starbucks.
Mm.
Outside the highway. They'll close by the time we get there.
We're home! Yes! Open, Daddy! Where's Daddy? We are home!
The cake?
Natira sa aming cake, guys. This is the leftover ones.
Delicious.
Delicioso.
James loved it.
Woo.
Like a whole slice plus a half.
Yeah, this is all his toys. Ayan, guys. Ang dami niyang toys. Ayan, piano. What else you got? Oh, ayan, more cars. Ayan, you have another McQueen.
McQueen's in.
There we go. He got some guitars. Dami pa ng toys, guys. Ayan, ito. Para naman to sa akin, guys. From my sister-in-law, mga pampaganda. Ayan, Victoria's Secret. Ay, Bath and Body Works. Ayan, perfume. Got lotion. Got mist. Perfume din ata pag mist, diba? Ayan, fragrance mist. Tapos may, ano ata to? Ayan, sabon. And then, ayan, mga pampaganda. Ayan. Tapos, regalo din to for James. Mga books, guys. Ayan. Mga books. And then, ito, regalo ng sister-in-law ko kay Dominic sa Christmas gift niya. Hindi kasi sila naka-attend sa Christmas last time. So, ngayon lang nila binigay yung gift nila.
Hey,
Gonna eat my candy cane.
That's no, James. No, you can't have that. Mom's gonna get you dinner.
Gonna get dinner. And then, meron dito pa si James. Ito rin yung toys na binigay namin. Babe, can I help? So, that one, it's a Barnes. Ayan, guys, may mga animals din siya. Ayan. So, ayan nga, Barnes. That's from Dominic and me. And then, we got another one.
It's a mess.
What you got? Ayan. So, it's like a
Race car track for the
race
McQueen.
car. Ayan, guys. You're gonna love this one.
Yeah.
That's his favorite.
Ethan wanted to open it.
So, that's from us, too. So, ayan. Ang kalat ng bahay namin. Ayan yung bahay namin, guys. Tingnan nyo.
Let's get in the house.
All James stuff. Ito, toys din yan ni James. Regalo namin sa kanya nung Christmas. Yan, tingnan nyo sa loob. Mga toys niya pa din. Ayan, guys. Meron niyang tunnel dyan, pero wala kasing space dito sa bahay. Kaya tinanggalan namin, kaya bahay-bahay niya lang. Yan, meron siya ditong bike. Ito, Regalo din namin yan sa kanya, guys, nung Christmas. Ayan. Ayan, regalo din namin yan kay James. Favorite niya yan. Ayan. Store everywhere.
He wants to open his trans bag.
Oh, no, you wanna open? Okay. But you're gonna eat your dinner.
Yeah, let's do it real quick. Since you didn't eat dinner earlier.
Wow. Hi, Lando. You're going home tomorrow, baby. You're gonna leave us?
No.
Yan, guys. Toys niya rin. Di niya rin ginagamit. Ang dami niya ding cars niyan. Spoiled talaga tong batang ito. Yan. Here, more toys. Dalawa na yung kanyang McQueen. Nagka-doble-doble yung regalo nila, guys. Wow!
Ready? Take the lid off. Take it. Pull.
Wow! That's more trains!
Two trains.
Which one do you choose? Orange?
Oh.
We should keep this one. This is a nice container. You can put this in his wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, close our vlog. Alright, it's almost 9 p.m. guys.
Past 9.
Past 9. Yeah, so thank you so much everybody for watching James' birthday celebration.
Oh.
Yeah, we didn't get a lot of films over there, but I already warned you.
Did you?
Yeah. Yeah, so thank you so much everybody. And James, once again,
Happy birthday.
happy birthday! Mwah.
Can you say bye?
Bye-bye!
I was like, guys.
Bye-bye, guys! See you tomorrow for my next vlog.
Yeah, right.
Bye, everybody!
Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Mwah.
Jim, say bye. Give him thumbs up.
No, it's busy.
Yeah. We got trains.
Yeah. Bye, guys!